Hello everyone, this is Chaitra VS, pursuing my education in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering in the Department of Electronics and Communication. Today let us deal with the subject Environmental Protection Management. In this, the topic Environmental Management System and its applications. Introduction to Environmental Management System EMS. An environmental management system is a structured framework for managing environmental responsibilities. It helps organizations to minimize their environmental impact while complying with regulations. An effective EMS allows for continuous improvement in environmental performance. An environmental management system it is a structured framework for managing the environmental with responsibilities with rules and regulations, and it helps in various organizations to minimize their environmental impact. It is also a continuous improvement in various aspects. The key components of EMS are plan, do, act. There are four main key components of EMS. They are plan, do, check, and act. The environmental policy, environmental requirements and initiatives, structure, responsibility, and resources. They are training, awareness, and competence. An EMS typically includes the main thing policy, planning, implementation, monitoring, and review. The policy outlines the organization's commitment to environmental management. The planning involves identifying environmental aspects, legal requirements, and setting objectives. These are the four main key components of environmental management system. They are plan, do, check, and act. These are even though they are continuous improvement in environmental policy. The main benefits of implementing an EMS. Benefits of implementing an EMS through the management system. Implementing an EMS can lead to reduce the waste and resources consumption. Organizations may experience cost savings through improved efficiency and reduced liabilities. The enhanced reputation and stakeholder trust are significant advantages of an effective EMS. These are the main benefits of implementing an environmental management system. Main thing is to reduce the waste and resources consumption. The ISO 14001 standard, it is an internationally recognized standard for development of EMS. It provides a clear framework for organizations to manage their environmental responsibilities. It provides a good framework for organizations to maintain or to take the responsibilities in the environmental condition. The certification to ISO 14001 can improve an organization's credibility with customers and regulators. The ISO standard it may improve the organization or through the environmental condition, credentiality and with customers and regulators. The applications of EMS can be applied across various sectors including manufacturing, construction and services. Each sector can tailor its EMS to address specific environmental impacts relevant to its operations. For example, manufacturing may focus on waste reduction. The main thing the manufacturing may focus on waste reduction, while the service sector might emphasize energy efficiency, increasing the efficiency of the current process, improving storage and handling practices, recycling of waste materials, reducing the accidental damage through good emergency planning, and reducing the waste handling and disposal. These are the main applications of the environmental management system, which may include manufacturing, construction, and various services. The role of leadership in EMS is leadership commitment is crucial for the successful implementation of an EMS. The top management must demonstrate their support through active involvement and resources allocation. A strong leadership presence fosters a culture of environmental responsibility throughout the organization. Here, how the role of leadership in EMS takes place. First, the commitment is crucial for the successful implementation in EMS. The main thing, the top management then must demonstrate their support through active involvement and resources allocation. It should be they should participate in active involvement, and even though the allocation of various resources, the leadership presences fosters a culture, the culture of environmental responsibility throughout any organization. Here, how we can monitor and take the measurement of EMS. Regular monitoring and measurement are main essential for accessing EMS performance. Organization must establish matrices to evaluate their environmental impact on compliance. Continuous data analysis aids in identifying areas for improvement and achieving objectives. Measure environmental performance, analyze root causes of problems, and assess compliance with their requirements. The monitoring and measurement plays a very important role in accessing the EMS performance. Organization, the particular organization should establish their matrices to evaluate their environmental impact. Continuous data analysis aids in continuous data. Day by day, the continuous data analysis should identify the various areas for improvement and achieving objectives. This is how the monitoring and measurement takes place in the EMS performance. The employee engagement and training. The employee involvement is vital for the success of an EMS within an organization. Providing training ensures that staff understand their roles in environmental management. Engaged employees are more likely to contribute to sustainability initiatives and drive performance improvements. These are the employee engaging and taking the training for the environmental involvement. Employee involvement is vital. Here, the employee involvement should be vital or plays a very important role within an organization of EMS, providing training for the various staffs, and they should understand the roles in the environmental management. Engaged employees should be contribute to the sustainability and drive performance improvements. The case studies of successful EMS implementation. There are numerous organizations have successfully implemented EMS, showcasing best practices. Case studies illustrate significant reductions in waste and enhanced operational efficiency. Learning from others' experience can inspire similar initiatives in different contexts. Reducing environmental footprint through ISO 14001 comprehensive EMS to minimize waste and increases efficiency. These examples demonstrate how EMS can lead to sustainable environmental and financial gains by embedding sustainable practices into business. The numerous organizations takes place for the successful implementation of EMS, the showcasing their best practices. Case studies illustrate significant reductions. The main case studies will illustrate the significant reduction in waste and enhanced operational efficiency. And through learning from others, experience can inspire their similar innovatives in different contexts. Uh, the main conclusion for EMS is the use of environmental management tools allows institutions to anticipate and avoid problems in protective rather than reactive way. In various, in example, in if in case we take the environmental condition, the environmental management institution to participate in by avoiding the problems. Uh, uh, they should be proactive rather than in reactive action. The NEMS offers a structured approach to environmental responsibility by identifying, controlling, and reducing an organization's environmental impact, leading to sustainable practices that align with regulatory standards and community expectations. The implementing an EMS can lead to improved resources use, minimized waste, and energy savings. EMS applications help organizations stay compliant with environmental laws and regulations, minimizing the risk of fines and legal issues and ensuring proactive risk management. We should avoid taking the risk management and should proactive in any condition rather than reactive way. Thank you.